My name's Matthew, and I need a couch. People told me to come to Ikea, so that's what I've done. I bought this for $4.01. That was delicious. I would definitely take a first date here. If you would like to go on a first date to Ikea, let me know, because I will buy you $4.01 worth of food. Now that my stomach is full, we'll enter the showroom. This couch is too big and too expensive. This couch is too small and too expensive. I need a couch I can take a nap on, and I am 6'5" tall. This is too expensive, but I like it. This is smaller than it looks, but the price is right. It's still Christmas at Ikea. Yes, gravy. You have to order or you get nothing. I am not very smart. I did not realize that there's an entire restaurant here. I thought the little market downstairs was the restaurant. This meal was $10. I will still take you here on a first date. Now I'm going to go lie down on some couches to test them for napping.
Three hours later.
I think I'm lost again. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm lost. There's some sort of alarm going off behind me, and it's making me scared. I've been in the parking garage now for 25 minutes. I can't find my way out. Wish me luck.